guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I picked myself up a trans jack. I got my trans jack from Harbor Freight. This isn't a paid sponsorship. I paid with this jack with my own money. Got some instructions. Let's go lift this thing out of here. Ooh, it's extremely heavy. Slide around. Box is broken. Ow. Yeah, that ain't happening. Pull all the hardware out first. Got some casters. One. Another caster. Caster. And the fourth one. Go to the side. Nice ratcheting strap. And I think that's it. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. Maybe we should open up the directions. It's a 450-pound low lift transmission jack. The reason why I got this one is because, as you can see, it's really compact compared to the other ones. Harbor Freight also offers two more. They're larger ones, an 800-pound capacity, and I think the other one's a 2,000-pound capacity. But I won't use this tool as much as I would want the larger one. I just don't have the space in a two-car garage that only has enough room for one car at a time. Caster. Alright, so we got a caster, a washer, a Loctite. Gonna go ahead and put one of the casters on this side. Then washer, and then nut. We're gonna go ahead and repeat that 4 times. Probably gonna go ahead and grab impact gun. Casters. Woo! That thing spins freely. Grab my 3/8 impact. I don't really want to use a 1/2 inch. There you go. You can do it with a ratchet and a wrench. If you don't have an impact, it just makes it easier. Not really instructions how to assemble it, it's just a diagram. Safety information, removing a transmission, and a diagram. Not really instructions how to set it up, but who needs it? And we got some ratcheting straps here. Let's take a look at how this is set up. Oh, it's actually already a bolt there, and I guess this is for the other side. And probably take the rubber band off. like this just goes around the bolt, and this goes around the other bolt, I think. Oh, it's not even set up. This is actually what goes around the bolt. There you go. So I have to undo this. Stick it through the strap. Take that nut back. Got the other strap. Then repeat it. To the other side. Let's do it this way. Here, you have the strap. It's your basic ratchet strap.